I am Dr. MP Sarde from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to study Programmable Array Logic, that is PAL. PAL is a family of PLDs which is widely used and available from number of manufacturers. PAL consists of set of programmable AND gate at the input and output are connected to OR gate. Thus, the input to the OR gate is hardwired. PAL is PLD with fixed OR array and programmable AND array. Some manufacturer also allows output inversion to be programmed like and/or invert logic. They implement sum of product logic function. Example of basic structure is shown in the figure. Symbol of a fuse indicates fusible link that can be opened using PROM programmer. This is the structure of PAL. This circuit diagram consists of there are 3 AND gate and there is 1 OR gate. There are 3 input A, B and C. Each of the AND gate receives the input from each of the terminal in complemented and uncomplemented form, and the output of the OR gate is in sum of product form. Figure shows how the circuit is programmed to implement F equals to A B bar C plus A bar B C. All input variable and their complements are connected to the unused AND gate. Here you can see here this is the unused AND gate. Unused AND gate means the output of this AND gate is equal to 0, and this 0, which is nothing but the input to the output OR gate, it's not going to change, it is not going to affect the output of the OR gate. To the unused AND gate whose output is A bar, B into B bar, C into C bar, which is equal to 0. Whereas 0 has no effect on output of OR gate. Whereas if all the inputs to the unused AND gate were burnt open, and output would float high at logic 1, or output would remain permanently at 1. Actual PAL circuits have several groups of AND gate. Each group provides input to separate OR gate. This is the circuit diagram of PAL. Okay, you can see here there are 9 AND gate and there are 3 OR gate. Each of the AND gate receives the input from the 3 variable A, B, C in complemented and uncomplemented form. Conventional PAL connection diagram is shown in the figure. It seems that there is only one input to AND gate. You can see here this diagram. To the AND gate, it seems that there is only one input. But in reality, it has 3 input A, B and C. Vertical line denotes the input and horizontal line feeds the AND gate. Cross denotes the connection through fusible link, and dot denote, this is the dot. Dot denotes the permanent connection. Absence of any of the symbol denotes open or no connection by virtue of a burnt open link. Figure shows A is connected to AND gate through fusible link, and input C is permanently connected and B is disconnected. Thus the output of the AND gate is A into C. A into C, this can be shown in this manner also, which is showing in the right hand side of figure A. Figure shows the 3 input, 3 wide AND OR structure, and thus each function can have 3 minterms. There are 9 AND gates, which indicates that there are 9 chosen product which has not more than 3 variables A, B and C. Input to the OR gate and the output is fixed as shown in the figure by cross mark on vertical line, and cross is marked on corresponding vertical input line of the input of AND gate. Here circuit is unprogrammed because all the fusible links are intact. Figure C shows 3 input OR gate drawn with the single input line. Programmable logic array. PLA is another type of programmable logic but with a slightly different architecture. PLA combines the characteristics of PROM and PAL by providing the programmable AND array and OR array that is a PLA. Both AND gate and OR gate have fuses at the input. Third set of fuses in output inverter allows the output function to be inverted if required. Usually, XOR gate are used for control inversion, and this picture makes it more versatile of 3 PLDs. But the disadvantage is 2 sets of fuses makes it difficult to manufacturer to program and test it than PROM or PAL. Figure shows the structure of 3 input, 4 output PLA with intact fusible link. PLA also can be mask programmable called as MPLA. User must submit the PLA programming table to manufacturer and this table is used by vendor to produce the user made PLA which has internal path between input and output. Field programmable PLA, that is FPLA, can be programmed by the user by means of a certain recommended procedure or with commercially available programmer unit. Thank you.